there. Let's turn on the flashlight to check it out.
Don't be scared. It's Sheriff Labrador. What's going on here?
Sheriff Labrador, we need help.
Sheriff Labrador, the power's out at our house.
Don't worry. I'll figure it out. Drag the magnifying glass and look for clues. Tangled cords could cause a fire. Let's the cord is all untangled now. Remember not to tie cords together. It's not the cause of the blackout. Keep looking. The cabinet is on the cord. We must move it. Placing heavy objects on cords can cause them to overheat and even start a fire. It is not the cause of the blackout. Look for other clues. We found the cause of the blackout. The socket is electrified. Inserting metal objects into it may cause a short circuit.
It is a piece of cake. I'll pull it out.
Watch out! Metal can conduct electricity. Don't touch metal objects with your bare hands. It's very dangerous now. Don't worry. Let me pull it out safely. What's the safe way to do it?
Use the wet cloth.
Use the wooden stick.
Smart choice. It's safe to use a wooden stick. Touching the socket with a wet cloth can cause a short circuit and electric shock hazards.
Yay, we have light again.
Loose cords can trip people. Let's tidy them up. Put a warning sticker next to the socket to remind kids to stay away from it. Great! Can you find great? Kids, sockets have electricity. Never touch them. Bye-bye, everybody. And remember to stay safe. Woof. Kids, be careful. The socket is electrified. Keep a safe distance and don't touch the sockets. Don't stick your finger or other objects into the socket. Don't touch sockets with wet hands. Don't touch exposed cords. Don't play with dangerous electrical appliances alone. Moms and dads should also check for potential safety hazards at home. Let's work together to keep kids safe.
Which object is dangerous to touch with your hand? A socket or a ball? Which object is dangerous to touch with your hand? A socket or a ball? Wrong answer. Kids, don't touch sockets with your hands. It's very dangerous. Never do that. Is it right to play with sharp scissors?